The overall goal of this procedure is to demonstrate the steps needed to assess navigational and cognitive skills of young children to predict their ability to navigate a speech-generating device. This is accomplished by first conducting a practice session using 5 symbols and a tablet. The second step is to perform the formal navigation task by asking the participant to retrieve 25 symbols using the tablet. Next, cognitive skills are assessed using the lighter R nonverbal test. The final step is to analyze the scores in order to predict navigational skills. Ultimately, cognitive skills should predict a child's ability to navigate a speech-generating device with taxonomical organization.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of augmentative and alternative communication, such as the impact of cognition on children's navigational skills using a speech-generating device.
The implications of this technique extend toward the selection of the most appropriate speech-generating device for a particular child by providing speech-language pathologists with valuable information on a child's cognitive and navigational abilities.
Begin by gathering the materials, including a computerized tablet, an augmentative and alternative communication application, a booklet of symbols for each of the target words, and a navigational task of 25 target words. Instruct the participant to sit down at the table and then place the computerized tablet directly in front of them. Sit at an angle across from the participant and place the booklet of symbols upright between the participant and the instructor. Ask the participant if they have previously used a smartphone or a computerized tablet. To demonstrate how to use the tablet, first inform the participant that the symbols can be found in different folders.